Go ahead.
Chickens don't fly.
By who? And other fun
Facts.
by Laura Lynn, DiSiena, and
Hannah Eliot.
all right.
Illustrated by Pete Oswald.
Good job.
Chickens don't fly. Chickens don't fly. Chickens don't fly. The title page.
Title page.
Well, hello. Did you know that female chickens are called hens and male chickens are called roosters?
How about
There are more chickens in the world than any other kind of bird? Okay, maybe you knew those things. Or that female chickens lay about 1 egg each day.
wow.
But did you know that chickens don't fly? Chickens aren't completely flightless. They can filter into the air high enough to make it over a fence or into a tree. But that's nothing compared to what the
Peregrine
peregrine falcon can do. When the falcon is hunting, it soars high into the sky and then makes a steep dive to catch its prey, sometimes at more than 200 miles per hour. That makes the peregrine falcon not only fastest bird but fastest animal on the planet. Show off.
That's the falcon.
One animal that's in no rush to get anywhere is the tree-toed sloth, which moves even slower than a snail. Now that's slowpoke. With their long claws and super strong grip, sloths are built for living in trees. Most sloths spend about half their day hanging from branches and the other half sleeping in those branches. Salamanders are
amphibians,
so they spend part of their life on land and part in water. When on land, some salamanders can make their feet suction to surfaces like trees so they can climb upside down. Hello. Spotted salamanders are not nocturnal. This means they are only active at night. During the day, they rest and hide under rocks, logs, and leaves. Sometimes they even take cover of burrows made by other animals. Did you know that most sharks need to keep swimming in order to breathe? When they swim, they take in water through their gills and turn into oxygen. The largest fish is the whale shark. It can grow to be more than 40 feet long, but sharks can be really small too. Some, like the dwarf lantern shark, are only about 8 inches. Wow, that's small. Yeah. A thorny devil. The devil is a lizard that lives in Central Australia. It also grows to be 8 inches long. Do you think
You would think
that something as small would be an easy target for larger animals, but as its name
suggest
suggests, the lizard is covered with sharp thorns to scare off predators. Watch out! The speediest land animal of them all is a cheetah. When its predators come along, a cheetah does what it's best at and runs. Can you count to 1, 2, 3? This big cat can accelerate to 45 miles per hour in the time it took you to count those 2 seconds. That takes a lot of energy. What? They're like so slow. They just started, but the cheetah just started and it's already at the finish.
He is fast.
She.
Oh, okay.
A cheetah has a long tail, but the land mammal with the absolute longest tail is the giraffe. A giraffe's tail can be up to 8 feet long. They also have super long necks. So it's not very surprising that giraffes are the tallest animal on Earth. They are about 14 feet to 19 feet tall. Polar bears may not be the world's tallest animal, but did you know that they are the world's largest bear? Polar bears mostly live in Arctic Circle, and have large, flattened feet with webbing between their toes. This webbing helps them swim, and the rough pads on their claws help them walk on slippery ice. I did not know that. Polar bears' white coat camouflages it in the surrounding snow and ice, but under their fur, polar bears actually have dark skin. This keeps them warm by soaking up the sun's rays. A polar bear's only visible skin is on its nose. Speaking of noses, elephants are some of the largest land animals around.
Mammals?
Mammals around, and they sure
Do have.
do have big noses. But an elephant's trunk is a lot more than just a nose. It makes noises and grabs things like food. Elephants also have extremely good sense of smell. They can detect a water source that's 12 miles away.
Wow.
The bloodhound is another animal with a great sense of smell. It is so good at scent tracking. In fact, that bloodhounds are often used to find criminal evidence. And that evidence can be used in the courtroom. Did you hear that? It sounds like someone is laughing. Oh, it's a hyena. That's the sound hyenas make when they want to let another know they found food. Hyenas live in clans with as many as 80 members. Staying in groups, it is a way for them to protect themselves from predators on the African plains, such as lions. Bees have eyes, but they don't have ears. Bees live in colonies, and in each colony there is a queen bee. A queen bee uses her stinger to lay eggs, up to 2,000 each day.
Wow.
I didn't know queens can lay eggs with their stinger. That's new. Wow, that's more eggs than some chickens will lay in a lifetime. And unlike chickens, bees are sure to do fly.
Bees sure do fly. Oh, cool.
Facts.
More fun facts. Oh, a giraffe's tongue is black.
I knew that.
Bees see all colors except the color red. Flowers that attract bees are usually yellow, blue, and purple. The platypus has also been called water mole, duckbill, and duck mole. Huh. Cool. Female cheetahs are solitary and usually live alone, whereas male cheetahs tend to live in groups. Interesting. Cool. The end.
The end.